What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to download and install apps on your Chromecast with Google TV. So, over here is my Chromecast with Google TV device, and there are basically two ways to download and install apps on this device. The first is to basically download and install apps from the apps section of your Chromecast with Google TV, and alternatively, you can actually download apps from the Google Play Store. And I'm going to show you how to try these two methods in this particular video. Now, to download apps from the apps section of your Chromecast with Google TV, from the home of your Chromecast with Google TV device, you just want to scroll over to the apps section over here, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to this search input field over here. Now, what you want to do is to go ahead and click on it, then go ahead and search for the particular app you actually want to download and install into your Chromecast with Google TV. Now, take for instance, if I want to download and install the VLC Media Player app on my Chromecast with Google TV, once I type VLC, I will just scroll down and then click on this search icon over here, just like so.
Results for VLC.
And automatically it will search the Google Play Store and give me all of the results for VLC Media Player I can actually install into my Chromecast with Google TV. And basically, this is the app I'm looking for. So I'll just go ahead and click on it, just like so. And from here, I'll just go ahead and click on the install button at the bottom over here. And automatically, this particular app will start downloading and installing into my Chromecast with Google TV device. Now, this will take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed and the size of the application you want to install into your Chromecast. And once it is done installing, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the open button over here, or alternatively, you can just come over to the home of your Chromecast with Google TV device, and from the list of apps over here, you can literally see the VLC Media Player app we just installed into our Chromecast. Now, another way to download and install apps on your Chromecast with Google TV is to basically use the Google Play Store. And to open up the Google Play Store, what you want to do is to go over to the settings of your Chromecast with Google TV at the top over here, and you want to click on the settings icon. And now you just want to scroll down until you get to apps over here. Click on apps, and you want to go ahead and click on see all apps. Now scroll down until you get to show system apps over here. Click on it. And from here, you just want to scroll down until you find the Google Play Store, which is usually among the system apps on your Chromecast with Google TV. So just scroll down and you can literally find the Google Play Store over here on my own case. Now, what you want to do is to go ahead and click on it. Now go ahead and click on open, which will automatically open up the Google Play Store. Now, what you just want to do is to scroll over to the top over here. And then from here, you can go ahead and search for the particular app you actually want to install into your Chromecast with Google TV. Alternatively, you can actually come over to the app section and then just find any app from all of the apps that are actually arranged over here. You can also go over to the top and also find gaming apps from the gaming section of your Google Play Store. And once you find any game you actually like, you can go ahead and just click on it, and from here you can also go ahead and download it just the same way we downloaded the VLC Media Player app into our Chromecast with Google TV. So basically, that is how to download and install apps on your Chromecast with Google TV device. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.